We're here at Roth camping site. We're gonna going paddle boarding. So that's the Roth Park store, and this is the beach and dock. Look at the beach. Nice. They have that playground over there. Sun is newly groomed. Have toys. Water is nice. That's for rent. On the other side is the campground. Oh, lots of fish, Elijah. Those are pike. Beach volleyball area, playground, the dock, beach goers.